Have you ever pondered the possibility of residing on Mars? What if the red planet could be the next frontier for human habitation? The thought is as fascinating as it is challenging. Today we delve into the journey to Mars and the possibility of living there. First and foremost, we must consider the journey to Mars itself. It's not as simple as hopping on a spaceship and arriving a few hours later. The distance between Earth and Mars varies greatly depending on their respective positions in orbit. On average, Mars is roughly 140 million miles away from Earth. Even with the fastest spacecraft available today, the journey could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months. Once the journey is completed, the next challenge is landing on the red planet. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, which makes slowing down a spacecraft for a safe landing incredibly difficult. It's a process called aerobraking, and it's a crucial step in ensuring a successful mission to Mars. Now, having safely landed, the question remains, could we actually live on Mars? To answer this, we need to consider a few key factors. First, there's the issue of the Martian atmosphere. It's mostly carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon and very little oxygen. Humans would need to wear protective suits and carry their own supply of oxygen at all times. Second, there's the Martian climate. Mars is much colder than Earth, with temperatures averaging -80 degrees Fahrenheit. To survive, we would need to create habitats that can withstand these extreme conditions. Third, there's the issue of radiation. Mars has a much thinner atmosphere and lacks a magnetic field, which means it's much more exposed to harmful solar radiation. Any long-term habitation plan would need to account for this. Lastly, there's the question of sustenance. We would need to find a way to grow food on Mars. This could be achieved through hydroponics or other advanced agricultural techniques. Water, a necessity for life as we know it, is known to exist on Mars in the form of ice. Accessing and utilizing this resource would be vital for survival. In summary, the journey to Mars is a long and complex one, requiring advanced spacecraft and months of travel. Living on Mars presents its own set of challenges, including dealing with a different atmosphere, extreme temperatures, harmful radiation, and the need for sustainable food and water sources. Yet, despite these challenges, the idea of humans living on Mars is not just science fiction. It's a future that scientists and researchers are working hard to make a reality. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. So, while we may not be packing our bags for Mars just yet, the prospect of one day calling the red planet home continues to inspire and excite us. Mars, here we come.